Meaning of insofar as.
Insofar as.
Insofar as.
Insofar as.
Insofar as. The phrase insofar as is used to connect two related ideas or statements and indicate to what extent they are connected or dependent on each other. It means to the extent that, or as far as. Essentially, it is used to qualify or limit a statement to a certain degree or scope. For example, I will support you insofar as it is reasonable, implies that the speaker will only offer their support to the extent that it remains reasonable. The phrase ensures that the statement made is clear and precise, without making any sweeping claims beyond a specific point.